On a quiet Thursday morning, Air India flight AI-171 took off from Ahmedabad, but within seconds, everything went wrong. The aircraft crashed into a nearby medical hostel complex, killing all 260 people on board and on the ground, leaving one survivor. Now, a month later, the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau has released its preliminary findings. The report offers the first clues about what happened inside the cockpit in those final tragic moments. The aircraft was a Boeing 787-8 and the crash occurred on June 12th, just moments after liftoff. Notably, the cause was that both engine fuel control switches were turned off just after takeoff within the same second. Flight data shows both switches moved from run to cut off. This shut down both engines mid-climb. In the cockpit, one pilot is heard asking, "Why did you cut off?" And the other responds, "I did not." This chilling exchange shows clear confusion in the cockpit during the critical moments of the flight. The pilots attempted to restart the engines about 10 seconds later. Engine 1 started recovering, but Engine 2 did not respond. Despite automated relight attempts, thrust wasn't restored in time to prevent the disaster. The plane reached a top airspeed of 180 knots but began to descend before clearing the airport boundary. The pilots transmitted a mayday call within seconds, and just 6 seconds later, the flight data recorder stopped. The crash was immediate and devastating. Emergency services responded within minutes, but by then the impact had already claimed every life. The report also points to a 2018 FAA advisory that warned of a possible issue with fuel control switch locks, the same type used in this aircraft. However, since the advisory wasn't mandatory, Air India did not conduct any inspections. Maintenance logs show no recorded defects with the switches. Parts had been replaced in 2019 and 2023, but not due to any faults. The AAIB stresses that this is only a preliminary report and the full investigation continues, examining technical systems, human factors, and airline procedures. Until then, the cause remains uncertain. This tragedy is more than just a failure in machinery. Notably, it's a story of lives lost and a call to action for greater safety in the skies.